the normal heart sound and the normal lung sound. Normally, our heart produces two sound, which is the S1 sound and the S2 sound. The S1 sound is loop sound, while the S2 sound is dupe sound. The loop sound is the first heart sound and is caused as a result of closing of the atrioventricular valves, which is the mitral and the tricuspid valves. It is started at the beginning of the ventricular systole, and it is heard louder at the apex of the heart. Then the S2, which is the dupe sound, is caused as a result of closing of the semilunar valves, which is the aortic and pulmonary valves, and is the second sound of the heart, which is started at the end of ventricular systole. Loop dupe is the normal sound of the heart, but abnormally, not normal, heart produces other sounds like S3 and S4. The S3 is loop dupe T and the S4 is T loop dupe. They are not normal heart sounds, but the heart produces them sometimes abnormally. Then the normal lung sound is vesicular sounds, which are generated as a result of movement of the air from the trachea to the bronchi to the lungs, and it is heard everywhere at the lungs except some part of the trachea and bronchi. The normal lung sound is vesicular sounds and the normal heart sound is loop dupe sound. Thank you all.